Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I just wanted to come on and share this little lovely folio cover that I purchased from NOTIQ. Now, it came in all its original packaging and everything, but I lost the footage, I'm afraid. I did record everything, but I've lost the footage, and by that time I had disposed of the packaging. So once I took it out of the box, out of the tissue paper, the wrapping, it was in this dust bag, and I was really pleased to get this cover. The reason being is because it's a zip one, and when I'm going out on travels and stuff like that, I'd rather have my planner in a zipped one because I feel that it would be more secure. I really love it. It's the blush pink with the rose gold hardware on it. It's got the logo in rose gold, and it's got a lovely tassel attached to the zip, and the hardware on that is also rose gold. Really happy to have this. And inside is the packaging, is the actual wallet. So the inside is really nice. It's got the secretarial pouch there, and then it's got 1, 2, 3 pockets here, and on the other side it's got the large one. I think that's where you slip the back of the planner in. This is for my mini happy planner, by the way, and it's got 2, 4, 6, 8 card holders and 1 pocket here. It's also got a pen loop, and the zip around it is also rose gold. Here's a card. Here's a card. It's vegan leather, and it's got the logo as well, embossed. NOTIQ logo embossed there. I'm really pleased to have it. It does look slightly bigger than my cloth and paper contour folio cover, which I really like. But it is for mini happy planner. Wow, it is so spacious. Not that I would be carrying it like this. But I just really wanted it for when I'm traveling, sort of like maybe even, you know, going away for the weekend to see family. You know, at least I know my planner will be extremely safe in it, all zipped up, and I'm pleased to have it. But what I can say today is that NOTIQ does not ship to the United Kingdom. And a very good friend of mine on YouTube here helped me very much. She ordered it and sent it on to me, and I'm forever grateful to you, my darling, my lovely, for that. Really grateful. So nice to make someone happy, isn't it? You know, so thank you so much. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload new videos. Also, if you want to see inside of my mini happy planner, a flip through, do leave me a comment below and let me know if you'd like to do that. You know, if you want to see inside. I haven't quite finished all of it yet, but steady, it's getting along. So I will update you on my mini happy planner. Take care of your good self and see you back soon. Bye bye.